The kitchen is more than just a cooking space. It's the heart of the home. But what if your kitchen doesn't match your style or needs? Today, we're transforming a basic kitchen into a dream space. Let's see if we can bring the vision to life. Welcome! Designing a kitchen can be overwhelming, but with the right planning, you can create a space that's both stylish and functional. In this video, we'll cover essential elements to help you build your dream kitchen from scratch. Many homeowners struggle with outdated layouts, cluttered spaces, and poor lighting. These issues make the kitchen feel cramped and inefficient. But the good news? A well-designed kitchen can change everything. Better storage, improved workflow, and a fresh new look can completely transform how you experience your home. Here's how you can create a stunning and practical kitchen. Heavy checkmark optimized space, smart storage, open shelving, and multifunctional layouts make a huge difference. Heavy checkmark choose the right materials, durable countertops, stylish backsplashes, and high-quality cabinets elevate the entire look. Heavy checkmark upgrade appliances energy efficient. Smart appliances not only improve convenience, but also add a modern touch. Now, let's see the transformation in action. From outdated and cluttered to sleek and functional, this kitchen gets a complete makeover. New lighting, fresh colors, and smart design choices turn this space into a dream kitchen. A well-planned kitchen blends beauty with functionality. With the right approach, you can create a space that truly reflects your lifestyle and makes every moment in the kitchen enjoyable. Enjoyed this video? Give it a thumbs up, share your dream kitchen ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. See you in the next one.